Yo, what's up everybody? It's Mason, and today I got some food from Wawa, and actually inside of these are the Gobbler. What is a Gobbler, you might ask? Well, you're about to find out. Anyways, some background about what Wawa is. It's a chain of convenience store slash sandwich shop slash gas stations, and they're pretty much all around the East Coast, like DC to New York, and then also in Florida a little bit. I can post a map right here. If you don't have a Wawa, I'm sorry, but they're great. So, the Gobbler. I don't want to talk too much about it. I just want to get into this and show you all. I haven't seen it yet. It was my first time hearing about it. I don't really, at least not until now, I didn't keep up with food news. But here I am, eating everything interesting in sight. So here is the regular Gobbler, actually. This one has stuffing, turkey, and cranberry sauce? Cranberry relish? I don't know, cranberries on it. We'll get into a better look later. And this one is a different version of it. It has mashed potatoes as a base instead of stuffing. All right, so here they are in the flesh. Let's look at the one with stuffing. Open this bad boy up. Got a nice hoagie roll. They call their sandwiches hoagies. I don't know where people call them that, but anyways, it's a hoagie. Got some stuffing. Dang, on this side, not too much turkey. But all together, I mean, it's carbs on carbs, so how can you go wrong with that, right? This one's looking real good. Ooh, look at that cross section. Yeah, I think that this one might be the one that I lean towards. Stuffing isn't my favorite Thanksgiving side, but you know, you gotta have it just because it's a staple. All right, which one to do first? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna go for the regular one first, the stuffing one. I feel like that's the Gobbler. Definitely tastes like a Thanksgiving meal on some bread. The first thing that I taste is the stuffing. It has that classic herbaceous stuffing flavor. It's more mashed together, as you can see. So it's not like your actual chunks of stuffing, but still all the classic Thanksgiving flavors in one sandwich. The bread's a little tough near the end. It's a good thing, but not a good thing when you're trying to eat kind of quickly. It's got that crusty baguette texture. Definitely good, don't get me wrong. All right, let's go for this mashed potato one. It's got gravy on it too, check that out. Let's open this guy up. Okay, so cranberry, mashed potatoes, turkey, gravy. It's all you need, really. I think this one, they were definitely more generous with the cranberries. And I actually appreciate that because along with the mashed potatoes, like everything melds together so nicely. My sandwich got a little soggy, not on their fault, but I got these on the way home from work, and then, you know, I had to do some errands. I had to put a 1-year-old to bed, so this is my treat after, you know, I do all my adult things in life. But I do really like how, because this bread is soggier, it's easier to eat. But I'm not complaining. That was like the perfect fluffy bite all in one. Not too crispy bread by the edge. I'm sorry, by the edge. Still fluffy right in the middle. Also, for each of the sandwiches, they were only like less than $6 each. It was like 5 something for a 6-inch sub, which I feel like is cheaper than a lot of places nowadays. Subway got rid of their $5 footlong, so that's out the window. And oh my goodness, look at this bite right here. That is some Thanksgiving goodness all in one, especially right here. You got the cranberry, mashed potatoes. Ah. All right, let's knock out these scraps of bread. The only thing I'll say is that as good as baguette bread is, sometimes it can just be a little difficult to eat, you know? But when you're craving a baguette, I don't think anything else hits the spot. I think the mashed potato one, it had a little bit of garlic in it, like a garlic aioli. Aioli? I don't know. Anyways, it was good. Whew. All right, so that was the Gobbler from Wawa, 2 different versions of the Gobbler. If you don't have a Wawa, that's okay. I hope that this sandwich inspired you to maybe make some Thanksgiving creations before Thanksgiving hits, or just what to do with your leftover turkey and sides after Thanksgiving. But thank you for watching. I hope you all enjoyed that video, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, peace.